Hey Puppy Trades! I wanted to do a video analysis update of the stock market, Microsoft, Google, and the S&P 500 are what we're going to focus on. Some interesting developments from an Elliott Wave perspective. Is it time to take a shot at stocks? I've previously said that all hope was lost. From an Elliott Wave perspective, we have been given some hope, and so I'm going to explain that to you in this video. Here's my untouched chart of Microsoft. From a long time ago, I said this was wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, ABC wave 4. So I was looking for a wave 5 that was the length of wave 3, placed at the wave 4 low, and voila, that happened. So what could be happening right now is very similar to the S&P 500. We have to figure out what's going on here. Is this a dip to buy, or is it time to run for the hills? Well, the problem with 401ks and I believe Roth IRAs as well is that they're not very nice to stop losses. Whereas brokerage accounts are very kind to stop losses. Robinhood allows day trading and things of this nature. A lot of brokerage accounts allow day trading, but you can't day trade in a Roth IRA or a 401k, especially if you're concerned about the tax man. So very similar to Microsoft, the S&P went wave 1, wave 2, and very similar to Microsoft, I called this big wave 3 perfectly. It reached the equal legs target, and now we had a correction. So if we look at the S&P 500, it hasn't done something that Microsoft and Google have. So this is where wave theorists, looking at the entire market as a whole, get a little bit of a better picture. What Microsoft and Google have done is they've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they broke this high. They formed a fifth wave higher, and so I actually pointed that out in a recent video with Google. I said, hey, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, and this is my untouched chart. So I'm looking for wave 3, the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low. Could look something like this for Google. So we have this 5 waves impulse for Google. Could look something like this. So it's all about stop losses here. It's all about stop losses here because if this low goes, it's going to get very ugly. So if 140.53 goes, it's going to get very ugly. But what happens if 140.53 doesn't go? There's a very interesting Elliott Wave setup for Google and Microsoft at least. And so that would obviously mean the S&P 500 would likely be rallying with these stocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, wave 2, and now bulls are looking for the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low to give a wave 3 target that takes Google up towards 170 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Google can go all the way up to 183. It's interesting to note that even if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, and this is a wave B correction, wave C would still be taking Google up towards 170. So it's a very interesting Elliott Wave setup. Microsoft has the exact same thing from this low. It's formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves from this low. I suspect this is either a large wave 1 or it's a large wave A. Bulls are going to look for wave 2 to end before wave 3. So it would look something like this. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 for Microsoft. The length of wave 1 placed at the wave 2 low would take Microsoft up to 409 before a shallow wave 4 and a wave 5 higher. If wave 4 retests the wave 1 high and wave 5 is the length of wave 1 placed at the wave 4 low, Microsoft could go up to 443. So this is the classic Elliott wave setup. Two leading stocks, Microsoft and Google, have formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves from a low. And so it's going to give a big hint as to what's to come for the stock market, at least for this wave three higher, possibly going beyond that. So while Microsoft is above 344.79, while Google is above 140, and while the S&P 500 is above 480 point 481.80. I suspect, yes, it is time to take a shot at stocks. What if this is the start of something big here? If it is the start of something big, bulls are going to look for a wave 5 to be either the length of wave 1 or the length of wave 3 placed at the wave 4 low. Both of those targets would take the S&P 500 up into the mid 500s, the mid 700s. So this could be the start of something new. It feels so great counting Elliott waves with you.